Mine started on an airplane with my daughter beside me. I remember flying to Thailand to pick her up. Long flight, heavy heart. My addiction had chasing me for years, and I knew it was time to stop running. 2 days after bringing her home, I was starting in rehab. But the real work didn't start in that building. It began on that airplane. She was sitting next to me, small, quiet, and beautiful, looking at the world with eyes full of innocence and trust. And I remember staring at her and thinking, enough, no more drinking, because your life is dictated by the question you are asking yourself and the action you take upon them. Don't be afraid to ask yourself the tough question, because that will lead you to the answer that actually can change your life. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Then we are ready for a new and powerful episode again. I'm so happy that you are here. There are moments in life that don't just change your direction, they change your destiny. Moment you didn't plan for, moment you didn't expect, moment that force you to choose who you're going to become. Today I'm sharing 2 of those moments that saved my life. And while you're listening, I want you to think about yours. The flight that saved my life. Some people say rock bottom is where life ends. But sometimes rock bottom is where a new life begins. Mine started on an airplane with my daughter beside me. I remember flying to Thailand to pick her up. Long flight, heavy heart. My addiction had chasing me for years. And I knew it was time to stop running. 2 days after bringing her home, I was starting in rehab. But the real work didn't start in that building. It began on that airplane. She was sitting next to me, small, quiet, and beautiful, looking at the world with eyes full of innocence and trust. And I remember staring at her and thinking, enough, no more drinking, no more chaos, no more excuses. This little girl deserves a father she can look up to, and I'm going all in for her. That thought didn't just motivate me, it transformed me. It became the fire I carried into rehab. For the first time in my life, I wasn't fighting for myself. I wasn't trying to survive. I was fighting for my daughter's future, and that made me unstoppable. Rehab wasn't easy. There were dark days, long nights, moments where the past tried to drag me back down. But every time I felt weak, I picture her sitting beside me on that airplane. And I kept going. I worked harder than I ever had. I showed up every day. I changed step by step, day by day. Father first, addiction second. And after a year full of courage, sacrifice, and rebuilding, I bought an apartment for us. A home, a safe place, a beginning. I spent as much time with her as I could, not just being a dad, but being her mentor, her protector, and her guide. Trying every day to live a life that she could be proud of. And the truth is, getting this daughter, this miracle, this purpose, this light, was the greatest thing that had ever happened to me. Because that day on that airplane, I didn't just save her future, she saved mine. And that's the lesson I learned. Sometimes the person you're meant to save is the one who ends up saving you. That airplane changed everything for me. It wasn't a place you expect to find clarity, strength, or a new beginning. But life-changing moments rarely show up when you expect them. And listening right now, you might have experienced a moment like that too. A moment that forced you to decide who you want to be. A moment that opened your eyes. Or maybe your life-changing moment is still waiting for you. All that you're missing is a decision. So what was the moment in your life where everything changed for you? Was it a painful moment or was it a powerful one? What decision did you make in that moment and how did it shape your future? Who were you trying to become when your life shifted? Is there someone in your life who saved you without even knowing it? And what did rock bottom teach you? Are you ignoring a moment right now that could change everything if you pay attention to it? What is one decision you can make today that will alter the direction of your life? And who in your life deserve a better version of you? Are you waiting for the perfect moment, or are you willing to create one? And those questions is important question you have to ask yourself. Because your life is dictated by the question you are asking yourself and the action you take upon them. So don't be afraid to ask yourself the tough question, because that will lead you to the answer that actually can change your life. This podcast takes time, passion, and 101% effort. If you like to support this mission, you can donate. Even the price of a coffee make a big difference. Visit the 101%podcast.com/donate. That's the 101%podcast.com/donate. Thank you. The second moment that changed my life didn't happen in the sky. It happened in a dark, quiet room on a boat, where I had to face myself, my choices, and the truth I've been running from. Sometimes rock bottom isn't where you fall. It's when you finally stop running. It was many years ago, the last day I ever drank. I had been drinking non-stop, from Thailand to China, from China to England, and from England and all the way to Stavanger. And without even sobering up, I stepped onto the boat and starting my shift. For the first 2 days, I couldn't eat. I barely slept. I was empty physically, mentally, and emotionally. And alone in that small room in the boat, it finally hit me. Thailand had broken me. There had been dangerous situation, pressure I never felt before, and more sadness that I could carry. And now, starting working again, I was more exhausted and destroyed than I ever had been before. My family was disappointed, my finances were gone, and I realized this is rock bottom. There's nowhere left to fall. But here's the thing, even in the darkness, something inside me refused to die. I knew I had a strong mind, a strong psyche. And sitting there on that bed, I made a decision that would change everything. Tomorrow, August 3rd, 2013, I will rebuild myself. And from that day, I promised myself I become stronger physically, mentally, and emotionally. I wanted a stable life. A life with style, with control, with purpose. No more drinking, no more destroying my life or the people I love. And most of all, my daughter. I love her with all my heart. And she deserves a father she could be proud of. A father who would give her the best life possible. So I worked harder than I ever had. I paid off my debt, saved every krone I could, and I set a new goal. An apartment for my daughter and myself on my island. A real home, a fresh start. And that's when everything changed. I walked onto the boat broken, but I walked off determined to show the world and myself that I could rise again. This was the moment I chose to go 101% for my life, my daughter, my family, and for the man I knew I could become. So those 2 moments saved my life. One on an airplane and one at rock bottom. But both those 2 have one thing in common. I made a decision. Not a wish, not a hope, a decision. A decision to become stronger, to become responsible, to become a father my daughter could be proud of. A decision to go 101% for the life I wanted. So I leave you with this. You don't need a miracle to change your life. You don't need permission. You just need a moment and the courage to choose differently. Because sometimes the moment you're waiting for is waiting for you to take the first step. This is the 101% podcast. Thank you for listening, and remember, your next decision could be the one that changes everything. This episode was recorded November 28th. 2025. You will find everything you need in the show note, including the link to our webpage, the 101%podcast.com. where you can subscribe to our free weekly newsletter, learn more about our premium episode. And if you like, you can support the show with a $5 coffee donation. That have been great. Every bit helps us keep going and mean the world to us. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with someone you care about. And what did you like or dislike with this episode? And what was your biggest takeaway? Comment below. We're sharing for you. Use the power of decision and change your life. Take care and give it your best and keep pushing for the 101%. It is important for us to get out our message so we can help as many people as possible. And we would highly appreciate it if you could take 1 minute of your time to follow us on social media and review the show on Apple Podcast and Spotify. All links are below. Our Instagram is the 101% podcast. Until next time, take care and go 101% into achieving your goals. You owe it to yourself.